It's really about resetting your capacity to handle what you're going through. And we're going to do that at 3 levels. We're going to reset your capacity biologically. We're also going to reset your capacity mentally. And then we're going to reset this balance between what's coming at you versus what you're choosing. Those are the 3 ways these tools work. So the first step to get out of overwhelm when life just feels like too much is just to label what you're actually feeling. Because there's a difference between saying, I'm stressed out because I have to cook dinner. I'm stressed out because traffic is really annoying. I'm stressed out because somebody's laying a guilt trip on me and now I feel bad. That's very different than, oh, wait, I feel like life is coming at me. I feel like I've lost control. I feel like my brain is maxed out. I'm feeling overwhelmed. So step 1, label it. Are you just feeling stress? Or are you actually in a state of overwhelm? And we're about to get into the next 3 things that Dr. Aditi and Dr. K tell you based on the research that they want you to do once you recognize, oh, wait, this is beyond stress. I'm actually overwhelmed right now, medically speaking. But because I'm not a doctor, I want you to hear from them. And so I called my friend, Dr. Aditi Nurkar, to give you her point of view. And let me tell you about Dr. Aditi. Dr. Aditi is a Harvard-trained physician with an expertise in stress, burnout, and mental health. She, in fact, ran the largest stress management clinic for the Harvard medical system. She's also the New York Times bestselling author of The 5 Resets. She's appeared on this podcast 3 times, and she is the very first expert of 57 world-renowned experts that I cited in the Let Them Theory book, where she talks all about how to use the Let Them Theory to lower your stress levels. You love Dr. Aditi. I love Dr. Aditi. And so I asked her, Dr. Aditi, from a medical point of view, what is stress versus what is overwhelm? And what do you want us to know about how these different states impact your body?
Mel, I'm so glad you asked. There's actually 2 kinds of stress. There is good, healthy stress and bad, unhealthy stress. And all of the mental and physical health manifestations that you consider negative are actually due to the unhealthy kind of stress. So let's talk about the good kind of stress first. Healthy stress. In science, this is called adaptive stress. This kind of good, healthy stress moves your life forward. It creates a sense of forward momentum. Everything good in your life was created because of a little bit of healthy stress. Examples of good stress in your life could be things like getting a promotion or a new job, falling in love, having a baby, graduating, planning a beach vacation, or rooting for your favorite sports team. The goal of life is not 0 stress. It's actually biologically impossible to do that. The goal of life is healthy, manageable stress that can serve you rather than harm you. And so unhealthy stress in science is called maladaptive stress. This kind of stress is unproductive, dysfunctional, and gets in the way of our everyday functioning. When you say that you've had a stressful week or a stressful year, that's the kind of stress you're talking about. That unhealthy stress causes a lot of the mental and physical health manifestations that you're already familiar with. Things like anxiety, insomnia, depression, frequent headaches, abdominal pain, back pain.